What up, A gang?
Hey guys.
This is Gracie.
Hey.
So yeah, we looking bad. We were supposed to go out. I was supposed to do my makeup and everything, but we decided to stay inside, save money, cause you know.
Make a video.
So tonight we're basically just gonna do like a chit chat while smoking hookah. I love hookah, so
we love hookah.
No, we love hookah. Like
I'll be like, can I just come over for a few minutes and smoke some hookah?
Like I have hookah in my house. She has a hookah in my house, so we can do hookah at the same time. We love
We're obsessed.
This is gonna be coming out with her channel soon, and we just gotta promote this. Like, come out with your channel, Grace. Do some makeup. She beat her face.
I'm gonna try. So when I do, subscribe to my channel.
So crazy smoking this hookah. My lips are
That's how it be though. Like, come on, everybody who smoke hookah, you know
you look crazy.
It's funny because I was on a date yesterday and I felt like I was looking crazy smoking a hookah. I was like, dang, my mouth was like you probably looking at me like, damn.
Damn girl.
So I was trying to do it cute, but I didn't know, you know, I was a little lit. So
she went on a date with her guy. Tell them about your date.
So I went on a date yesterday and I had a good time. Like, no, I really did. I had a good time, but I'm gonna just tell you this, so you girls, you can't start liking a nigga till he love you, because I feel like today he was acting a little funny, but I don't know if that's because, like, you know, I'm catching feelings for him. I hope you don't watch this video. He's not
on YouTube.
I'm straightforward. Let me just tell you about these guys. Like, you really can't sit here and give them your all and just, you know, you gotta, you know, give them a little bit, because you give them everything, they want to take 1,000% and then don't want to act right the next few days. Like, I will not be accepting that. But the date was good. We went out to eat. It was a really nice restaurant. Then we went to go smoke some hookah, get some drinks, and, you know, he treated me right. He treated me how a girl should be treated.
But now they arguing about whatever.
He's mad because I told him, niggas, like, oh, you're gonna steer a good guy away by thinking niggas lying, which is true, but, like, you know, I can't believe everything that's coming out your mouth.
They all lie, sis.
Actions speak louder than words, and that's all I was just trying to tell him, and he's like, oh, good night, talk to you later.
Okay, good night. They all lie. Good night. Like, good night. They all lie. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Like, okay, for all the young girls, okay, you don't want to go in thinking that they all lie, but they all lie. I really don't even know what else to say about this. Like, guys will literally pretend they are good actors, sis, and this is not a bash men type of chit chat.
Because there are good guys out there.
But this is a, yo, you gotta search and dig and you gotta fight to find them.
And you don't gotta beg a guy to do what he's supposed to do. Like, dates, and, you know, just treating a girl with respect. Now, that's the bare minimum. Like, all that other stuff, the above and beyond, that's the extra stuff. But just simple respect, like, you don't have to beg a guy to do that, because he's gonna do it for any girl he want to do it for.
That's a fact. Follow me on Instagram. Focus. Okay, wait. Okay, so make sure you guys follow me. Definitely for more videos. I'm gonna be on here talking to you guys more and just being here more. And y'all gonna see me beat. Y'all haven't seen me beat yet because I've been chill mode, but it's coming. This whole Black China and Soulja Boy thing, you think that's real? It's not real?
We all know Black China do a little stuff for clout.
Nah, but I love Black China. Like, I love her because she's always cute. Her hair is always laid. I think I just love people because their hair always laid.
She's
like,
cute, but let's talk about Lexus Sky, though. That's a baddie right there.
Alright, but Black China's a baddie too, sis. Like, what? Say it.
I love Black China. I have no issues with her, but baby,
I love
do a little too much.
Yeah, that's just a lot. I love sis, but that's just a lot, sis. Not with him. He look dirty.
Yeah,
he look dirty.
It's really loud. You know, Soulja Boy trying to get his little comeback ring.
You know, these Instagram girls and these people, they be young. Like, they our age, and we thinking they like 26, 27. No, they 22, 23, 24. Like, that's
why we feel like we gotta be in our bag now.
Yeah.
That's how old we are. Oh, also follow me on Instagram too. At Gracie.
I'm gonna put it here too, so just
Gracie Nick. Follow me.
Y'all see this frontal, y'all? Let me just show y'all something real quick.
Oh yeah, hear about Ashley on both views.
Oh yeah, I just posted her video, so y'all know.
Ashley, I kind of just rolled out of bed.
Let me just show you something real quick.
We still late.
Ooh, Bloom is big. Bloom is big. Baby. Yo, don't y'all love people that live in New Orleans? Like, they be
oh my god.
They be like,
Super
Sad, we love you. You're the best.
Oh my
Shout
god.
out to her.
I love her, like obsessed.
Who else we love? We love everybody. I just love females. We love females.
We love nice bodies. You know, we
love pretty faces, clear skin.
We love the girls with the fit bodies, the fake bodies. We love it all.
We love natural bodies, fake bodies.
We be on Instagram all day just sending each other pictures like goals, this, goals,
for
that.
real. Like,
we love vacations. We love you too.
We love you too.
Actually, comment down below if you think I'm light skin or brown skin. Actually, what you think? So the boy was gonna say told me I was brown skin, but that's because he's mad light skin. I was like,
yeah, he's white light. Okay, that's this dude. He Chelsea light. That's a white ass girl. But Chelsea's my cousin, the girl that had the red hair, the red bob. But she's definitely light skinned, and I'm brown. Okay.
Oh, I want to give a shout out, not a shout out, but I just want to say Kaleidoscope. If anybody's trying to like grow their edges back, their hair, I really recommend Kaleidoscope.
Sis, no, I need to get paid for this. Don't do too much. No.
Come on.
Okay, put them on.
Yeah.
But you've been using it for 2 days. You have not seen no growth.
Yes, I have, Ashley. My hair was not like this back here.
You know when somebody start using something for 20 seconds.
Alright, don't.
They be like,
this out.
Y'all know when the hookah mad harsh, y'all. I know y'all know. I know y'all smoke hookah. We can't be the only ones on YouTube that love hookah.
Back. Drink a lot of.
But don't all friends do that. Like, just take a quick little pic. But yeah, you guys, I'm scared my hair's gonna go right in this next year. I don't want to argue no more. I'm over it. I'm on to doing better things, trying to make a better business, be a better person,
yes,
be happier, go to the gym, eat right, eat healthy. It's hard, but
it is. But
I feel like if you put the effort, you definitely can
do it. I lost a lot of weight already, and if you subscribe to my channel soon, I come out and talk all about it. But I lost like almost 70 pounds. So.
She did. I lost 30, but I gained it back.
I actually been gaining it back.
The ribs be getting to me. Summertime. It's the summertime. You know when you in the summertime, you go out, you drink, you party.
If she starts and then she gets distracted, and then she starts again, she gets distracted, like
everything.
It's also Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, it is Valentine's Day.
What did y'all do for Valentine's Day? Because we did nothing. I mean, I have had a Valentine's Day. I don't know. But I mean,
you had a Valentine's Day. You was out past 12.
Yeah, he asked me. He was like, "So were you on Valentine's?" I'm like,
"Yes." What was he doing today?
Working.
Oh, good excuse. Working.
Then he just went to get a beer.
Listen, girls, don't let that guy try to take you out on the weekend, girl. You deserve a Thursday Valentine's Day date. So next year, you let it be known. Our life, our goals. We talk about guys. We talk about...
Yo, our group chat has been hilarious the past 2 days. Like,
we just...
ruthless.
I want to show y'all the picture of this man that she tried to set me up with.
We're going on a triple date next Wednesday.
As I talk to are all pretty boys. Like, they're mad pretty, like, to everything. Like, your face, nails, skin, everything.
That's how the one I talk to is.
Yeah, like, mad pretty boys, like, oh... Let them. Be like, when? Oh, y'all being fresh. Niggas after the first date, niggas think they could get something. Baby boy. Baby boy, chill. Relax.
On the
it's the first day. Rubbing on her. What else he was doing?
I'm talking about you can't catch these niggas. Yo, the past 2 months, bro. I did not have no feelings for not one guy, was not making no plans. I was focused on me. And then, I mean, this is God, I guess.
But I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers.
Yes,
I'm hyped. I'm so hyped because that means so much to me. Like, damn, y'all like my shit? Like,
exactly. On the road to 10K.
On the road to
20K. 50K. 100K.
100K. 100 shots.
Yo, Millie.
When I hit 100K, listen.
Remember this.
We taking 100 100 shots.
Oh, she's trying to die now. Like, you need to live to see a million.
Yeah.
We're on the road to flat tummies too. I'm gonna just put y'all on because we love y'all. We real. And we all struggle with all over belly sometimes. Ballerina tea.
That's that goat. Shit. Literally.
The goat. Okay? You got some 3-4 pounds you just want to get rid of real quick.
Ballerina tea.
Ballerina tea. But this is a disclaimer. Take it when you have nowhere to go. Don't be like me today. I was in the grocery store running to every bathroom I seen because it really cleans your body out, and with cleaning your body out, you're gonna, you know, have to use the bathroom.
So like one night I woke up at like 3 a.m. crying in the bathroom on the toilet like,
but it really works though. Like if I like go like 2 days like eating unhealthy, like drinking or something, it's gone. Like all that water weight I retained, all that bloatedness, it's gone. Like,
but yeah, like do guys even wow you anymore? Like do they even try to show you like, damn, like I really like her? They don't do that no more unless I haven't found that person that wanna be like, yo, I'm gonna go all out for you. Simple. I mean, I've had that, but the relationships, yeah, the relationships didn't work. It wasn't consistent. So no, I feel like you're supposed to wow me, and I'm gonna do my job to wow you. Simple. But if I don't feel that type of affection, I'm not gonna do that for you. Like, why? Yeah. But guys these days, they expect you to do everything for them. Like, any guy I ever told to order the bag, oh, buy me this, do this for me, do this for me. I don't know if it's because of the type of platform I had, but no. What do I look like, a sugar mama? I'm not your sugar mama. No. We're not about to do that. Sorry, I have to get in my bag real fast because no. No,
it's true. It's really true. Like, and don't settle for what you don't what you really don't deserve. Like, we know what we deserve. We know what settling is. We know, like, we don't have to beg a guy to do nothing at all. They either gonna do it or not gonna.
But like, of course, we all get in our feelings. Like, I be in my feelings about shit. Like, that's what we do all day. It's cry, cry about shit. And work out and try to eat healthy,
and then be like, and then be sad like we need to drink.
We need to drink. Why somebody come like, these some depressed ass bitches in here? Oh yeah, we from Queens and Long Island.
Yeah, Southside Jamaica. Shout out to Mickey.
Yeah, I'm in New York City. Right here. It's like 150 girls on this shit.
I want to be in that.
But they don't talk no more like they used to. I just feel like with girls in New York, like I don't know, they find problems out of nowhere. Like
this stush. Queens.
Yeah, Queens, Long Island girls are slush.
Like the other day, I went to a party and there was like a party like and all like Queens came out and you just walked in, you know, everybody wearing the same coats, same macages, you know, Uggs, you know, just the same vibes. The Queens,
same New York.
You know, instead of being like, girl, you look good, it's just like,
yeah, they just like that. Like, they're not gonna be like this.
See, I don't know that because there don't be a lot of Queens girls on YouTube. Or probably there is, you just don't know about them.
I don't really know about a lot of Queens girls.
Yeah, you see Brooklyn, you know, you see Harlem.
But I don't see a lot of Queens girls on YouTube because they just...
I don't know, it's like competition where we from. Like, everything is competition.
For no reason. Like, it don't have to be no competition. We could all get together.
Get together as we should.
I'm so hyped to be on YouTube, like, and I think all my subscribers, like, yeah, my dogs, but nah, I really thank all my subscribers. Definitely, guys, thank you for watching this video. We truly appreciate it. Grace soon gonna have her channel, so when she does, definitely y'all wanna know about it and continue watching my videos and add her on Instagram. Follow her.